This is a data pipeline where a DBT model is feeding the Snowflake table, which powers Power BI dashboard. This is an agent console. Here the agent monitors continuously the data pipeline using DataHub MCP tools, search, get, lineage, list, schema fields. It also makes DataHub API calls for creating incidents and also fetch incident history. Let's say a developer in the data team has made a schema change without doing any impact analysis on downstream. So the agent has flagged it as risk and it has created an incident. So when the dashboard is refreshed, because of the schema change, the dashboard failed to load and the agent has created the incident. So let's find the root cause and fix. When you click on investigate button, the agent will make, behind the scenes, the agent will make DataHub MCP calls to build the context, and the context is given to an LLM. So it will give the reason, it will give for reasoning, and it will find the root cause and fix. You can see here the agent has made an MCP call search, get lineage, and it also check for similar past incidents. And this whole thing is given as context to an LLM, and the LLM gave the reasoning and root cause, found it has given the risk score, and it also generated a DBT patch. So let's go to an operation dashboard. We can see here the total issues generated, and you can, the active are 11 and the resolved are 22. If you want to go in detail, if you want to know the additional details of these issues, you can go to an issues tab and you can view it here. So let's go to the command terminal and see the generated DBT patch. So at last the human has to sign off. If he has to review and he has to give the sign off. Let's assume this DBT patch looks good. So we can deploy it. And after deploying it, you have to go to the data hub and click on incidents. So here the whatever the agent has created incidents, you can view those incidents in the data hub also. As you can see here, as we have already deployed the DBT patch, you can mark it as resolved. And so far we have seen the agent, how the agent is using Data Hub for monitoring the data pipeline, creating an incident, and finding the root cause and fix. I am using Data Hub here because it's an open source and it is also generating a real context for an agent to work with. So this is not just solving one broken dashboard. Every run will make the next run faster, either for an person or for an agent. Thank you.